GBPUSD ended the week with a massive 1.5% or 200 pips loss on a single trading day. In the weekly time frame, the price trades within a bearish channel where the recent bearish daily close increased the possibility of testing the 1.267 key support level. Furthermore, the bearish pressure remained steady below the dynamic 20 EMA while the RSI is yet to test the oversold 30 level, increasing the possibility of selling pressure in the price. This technical analysis shows the daily chart of GBPUSD where the price moved below the symmetrical triangle that created a divergence with the RSI. However, the RSI level is hovering at the 30 level while the dynamic 20 EMA is working as a near-term resistance level. Based on the daily context, the gap between the price and dynamic 20 EMA indicates a possibility of a bullish correction in the weekly birth period that may open opportunities for adding selling momentum to the trend. However, the bearish pressure towards the target of 1.267 is valid as long as the price trades below the 1.298 level.